maintaining a garden at home can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Here are some steps to help you keep your garden healthy and thriving. 1. Plan and design. Decide what type of garden you want, vegetable, flower, herb, etc., and plan its layout accordingly. Consider factors like sunlight, soil type, and available space when choosing plants. 2. Prepare the soil. Ensure the soil is well drained and nutrient-rich. Amend with compost or organic matter if needed. Remove weeds and debris from the garden bed before planting. 3. Choose suitable plants. Select plants that are appropriate for your climate and growing conditions. Group plants with similar water and sunlight needs together for easier maintenance. 4. Planting. Follow planting instructions specific to each plant, depth, spacing, etc. Water newly planted vegetation thoroughly and add mulch around plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. 5. Watering. Water plants deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Early morning watering is often best to minimize evaporation and fungal growth. 6. Fertilizing. Feed plants with a balanced fertilizer or compost as needed, following package instructions. Be cautious not to over-fertilize, which can harm plants and contribute to nutrient runoff. 7. Weeding and mulching. Regularly remove weeds to prevent them from competing with your plants for nutrients and water. Apply mulch around plants to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 8. Pruning and deadheading. Trim back overgrown or dead branches to promote healthy growth and improve airflow. Deadhead flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming. 9. Pest and disease control. Monitor plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases. Use organic pest control methods whenever possible, such as hand-picking pests or using natural predators. 10. Regular maintenance. Keep an eye on the garden regularly, checking for any issues that may arise. Stay consistent with watering, weeding, and other maintenance tasks to keep your garden in top shape. 11. Seasonal care. Adjust maintenance tasks based on the season, pruning in winter, planting in spring, etc. Protect plants from extreme weather conditions like frost or heat waves as needed. 12. Mulching. Use organic mulches like shredded leaves, straw, or bark to improve soil structure, retain moisture, and reduce weed growth. Mulch should be applied to a depth of 2 to 4 inches around plants, leaving a gap around the plant stem to prevent rot. 13. Support and stake plants. Stake tall or heavy plants, like tomatoes or peonies, to prevent them from bending or breaking. Use supports like trellises, cages, or stakes to encourage vertical growth and maximize space. 14. Dividing and transplanting. Divide overcrowded perennial plants every few years to rejuvenate them and promote healthier growth. Transplant seedlings or mature plants carefully, ensuring they have enough space and appropriate growing conditions. 15. Enjoy and learn. Take time to enjoy the fruits of your labor and learn from your gardening experiences. Keep a garden journal to track plant growth, successes, and areas for improvement. By following these steps and giving your garden regular attention, you can create a beautiful and thriving outdoor space right at home.